PipSnipers here, back for another update. This is going to be a top-down analysis on ARPA. ARPA is one of my favorite coins, and let's get into this. So we have a 5-wave move to the upside in the form of a leading diagonal from March 2020 up to 2021. Now with a leading diagonal, you're going to have an ABC within each of these waves. We top out at the golden pocket right over here. Okay, we topped out at the golden pocket and then came down to 50% of this whole entire move to formulate your bear market low. We come down in the form of a triple zigzag, and then we start our first wave to the upside. So we have a 5-wave move to the upside for our wave 1, ABC down for your wave 2, and then now we're within the third wave. Now within this third wave, we have a little bit of an extension of our first wave. And within this first wave, you have a leading diagonal. So this is wave 1 of 3 to the upside. Okay. Now in this leading diagonal, the waves overlap each other. So you have an ABC within each wave, like I said. And now we're within this wave 2. We're in the ending stages. We're finishing up this wave 2 before we have a very nice pop up. So I'm giving you guys this video to show you that any bids in the ending stages of this diagonal pattern that we have here would be rewarded very well. We have a Elliott wave flat pattern, so a 3-wave move down in your A, 3-wave move up in your B, and then a 5-wave move to the downside. And within this fifth wave, we have what's called an ending diagonal. Okay, and it's likely, so from what I've seen in the crypto market and just from markets in general, is whenever you have a ending diagonal within the C wave, you usually don't go below this subwave 3 low, even though many retail think we do. Okay, the majority of people think we would go below this subwave 3 low, but from what I've seen, we stop 78 to 88.6% of the way down. And then we chop at the lows, and then we have a nice pop up from there. Now, we'll likely have this pop up with the rest of the altcoin market, right? So what I think is that we're not going to make a low below this subwave 3, and we're just going to come down 78 to 88.6% of the way, and possibly even do a double bottom at 100% at the 100% fib. If it does go below the 100% fib, then it's likely that, let me see here, probably come down to the 100% or the 1.236 when we measure this fifth wave. Okay, right here, right in this region, like that, or here. But what you'd want to be looking for as this subwave 5 of your C wave comes to fruition, and this wave 2 finishes up here, is you're going to want to look for bullish divergence on the indicators, and that'll give you the first signal on signs of a reversal. So what you'd want to do is put in bids over here, all the way down here. Here, I'll show you all the fibs. So this is, let me see here. So you'd want to look for bids anywhere below the 50%, which would be equilibrium. Anything below the 50% would be equilibrium. You'd want to look for bids anywhere below equilibrium into discount territory. Okay, so these are all of the DCA fibs. Okay, but this over here, this 78 to 88.6, this would be your sweet spot. Okay, you usually see a reversal from there. And yeah, so once this wave 2 comes to an end, we're going to see a very nice pop up. So let's go here on the 4-hour time frame. Going to see a very nice pop up, likely towards 2 to 2.5 standard deviations measured from this sweep over here to this high at 30 to 36 cent, 31 to 36 cent, come down 23.6% of the way, and then hit your macro target of 50 to 54 cent, and then come down for your wave 4, and then finish up with a wave 5 likely to around $1.20, and maybe even have an outlier of this macro ascending channel towards $2. Okay, you may have a wick like this, like at the peak, and then it comes down like that. Now remember, this is an ascending channel, so this is like when we take a look at the macro perspective of this, this is a bearish structure, right? So once you come up here, all the way up here, and then even go to $2 possibly, we're likely going to have a explosive move down here like this, likely to around 50% of the way, measured from the very low up to the projected high, or even the 70.2%. So basically, this would turn into this coin would just be dead after we get to this region, or we come down like this and then continue up from there in the next run. Either way, whatever structure it creates after this peak comes in, you should be looking to take profit at these targets. I hope you guys enjoyed the ARPA video. Before I go, I want to show you this other ARPA chart here that I have here. And this is actually doing the same schematic as XRP. Okay, Wyckoff accumulation, selling climax, automatic rally, secondary test, failed break, secondary test in phase B going below this psychological low, have a short squeeze to the top of the range, price gets squeezed down to mid-range into your sign of strength. You then have your backup phase down to the 78.6% fib. See, came down to the 786. And then backup phase is finished, and then the composite operator drives the price back up to new highs. This is your wave 1. This over here is your wave 2. Okay, and then I'm giving you guys this video before we have this wave 3 of 3. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And if you like the video and you want more updates like these, then click the link in the description below. You get access to over 350 assets, and you can ask me any question you want. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.